Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com. Introducing Coral Villa Palmera, your gateway to an enchanting living experience in Bavaro. This two-level villa for sale in Veron, starting from $114,500, boasts 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1 restroom, offering a delightful blend of charm and comfort. Explore the allure of this community, strategically positioned in Veron, ensuring a prime location within Punta Cana. Enjoy coastal bliss with beaches just 20 minutes away and dive into city life with downtown Punta Cana, a mere 10-minute drive. Travel with ease with Punta Cana International Airport just 15 minutes away, and discover a well-connected living experience with hospitals, schools, malls, and more within reach. Uncover Airbnb potential with this Bavaro villa for sale, being Airbnb-friendly, presenting opportunities for residents and investors alike. Immerse yourself in the community with exclusive access to the clubhouse, fostering camaraderie and leisure. Create joyful memories at the kids' park, unwind poolside in the community pool, and escape to tranquil green areas. Embrace leisure with a dedicated bicycle track, inviting residents to explore the community's beauty on 2 wheels. Seize the opportunity to make this villa for sale in Punta Cana your home. Contact us today and let's turn this 2-level villa into your perfect haven in Veron.